Dear ES valued customers and prospects, my name's Dominic O'Brien and I'm the Managing Director of Experienced Energy Solutions and Experienced Solar and EV Solutions. Just a quick update to thank you firstly for either being a customer or working with us in energy procurement. But I wanted to let you know that we're not just an energy procurement business, we're also a solar business too. So we've been actively working with our customers to design and install solar on either ground mount or rooftop opportunities for businesses within the UK. You may have seen recently via one of the videos that we've just won an award for Best Customer Solution from the prestigious Talca Awards. And that's for our wraparound energy procurement and solar business that has a unique proposition whereby we buy back excess generation from you too. As a client or a prospect of ours, we'd love to work with you on solar too. There's never been a greater opportunity to look at solar with the prices being so volatile in the market in terms of energy prices. So the cheapest way of using energy is the energy you don't use and the energy you generate yourself on the roof. Either me or one of my team will be in touch with you shortly to talk how we can help you start understanding if solar is a fit for you, whereby you can start generating your own clean energy on site. Please check out our previous videos which are pinned to this video too, whereby we talk about our other services including our export tariff, as well as our prestigious Talca Award for our best customer solution, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.